Importing and exporting data in Salesforce is essential for managing large volumes of information. Salesforce provides tools like the Data Import Wizard and Data Loader for these tasks. Use the Data Import Wizard. Access. Go to Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Data Import Wizard. Choose Object. Select the object you want to import data into. Select a CSV file. Upload your CSV file containing the data to be imported. Map fields. Match the columns in your CSV file to Salesforce fields. Start import. Review your mappings and click Start Import to begin the process. Use the Data Export feature. Access. In Setup, type Data Export in the Quick Find box and click on Data Export. Choose Data. Select the objects you want to export, such as accounts or contacts. Choose File Format. You can export the data in CSV format. Schedule or export now. Decide whether to schedule regular exports or export the data immediately. Using Data Loader. For more advanced users, Data Loader allows exporting and importing data for larger datasets or complex data operations.